Hi, I'm Danny Segir, District Executive Chef with Dearborn Public Schools and SFE. Today, I'm going to show you two simple and delicious recipes using our 1% white milk and our 1% chocolate milk. Check it out. The first recipe I have for you today is a banana and berries smoothie. First thing you want to do is take 3/4 cup of the 1% white milk, pour it in there. Then you want to take a 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt. You could also use plain yogurt and add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Just eyeball it. 1 cup of strawberries. That's around 10 strawberries cut in half. 1 whole banana peeled and sliced. 1/2 cup of ice. And a 1/4 cup of blueberries. Turn your blender on, medium high, and blend until smooth. About 20 to 30 seconds. Grab your empty cup, pour your smoothie right in. Grab some whipped cream. Sliced strawberry. And a sliced orange. And enjoy. Next recipe I'm going to show you is our chocolate caramel shake. First thing you want to do is grab a 1/2 cup of ice, drop it into your blender, a 1/2 pint of that delicious 1% chocolate milk, right in there, a 1/4 cup of the 1% white milk as well, 1 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream. You could also use chocolate ice cream as well. That right in there. 2 tablespoons of Hershey syrup. 2 tablespoons of caramel. Turn your blender on to medium high and blend until smooth. You're gonna grab your cup, grab your Hershey syrup, drizzle some along the side of the cup. You're gonna grab your caramel, drizzle that as well. Grab your shake, pour it right in there. Whipped cream, caramel again, right on top. A little bit more Hershey syrup, and 1 fresh, delicious cherry right on top. And enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can head over to one of our 10 pickup sites every Wednesday from 10:30 to 1 p.m. Recipe and location are in the description. And always remember to mask up, Dearborn.